So today we're going to do a comprehensive video on how we rebuild our clutches. We're going to use this one here as an example. As you can see, this one has been through the war and back. It's got a lot of rust on it, had a lot of wear. This customer actually just made a lot more power than he intended, so he shot through the organic material, but we're going to do a full rebuild. We'll get this thing better than new condition. Probably do 3 or 4 videos. You guys can check it out. Follow our YouTube channel, and we'll post them as we can get this done and walk you guys through every step of the way. So we're going to use this as an example to just show the different steps we take to rebuild your clutch. So we'll take a look at the cover, and you can see how this is, the diaphragm spring's kind of rusty. Put a new spring in there, get everything nice and clean and ready to rock and roll. We're going to do a similar thing with our plates. Also rusted, it's even stuck together. We'll take you through the machining process on the plates. So we're going to take this plate from looking like this. It'll actually look something like this when we're done with it. Okay? And we'll take a look at our discs. Now, obviously, we're going to replace these discs. This guy was running the organic, and he just made a little more power than this clutch's capacity. So we're going to replace these with some new Ceremetallic discs. Here's the other plate. Like I say, we'll get him all straight and shiny and new. And we're going to take the drive blocks, and we can probably kiss these drive blocks and make them look a little bit better. Get that all working for us. And finally, we'll take you guys through how we recondition our flywheels. And we'll grind this flywheel as well, and we'll get it, again, back to as new, if not better. Tune into the channel. We'll post at least 3 or 4 videos on our different steps, and you can see how we do what we do.